The Goldseason Smart Foldable Electric Wheelchair for Adults presents an innovative solution for individuals seeking mobility assistance. This portable, intelligent motorized wheelchair is designed with a range of features that cater to the needs of both users and caregivers. At first glance, the wheelchair stands out with its modern and sleek design. The ability to fold automatically is one of its defining features. This function allows for easy storage and transportation, making it a practical option for those who may need to travel frequently, whether by car, bus, or train. The compact design is especially appealing for users living in smaller spaces or those who have limited storage options. Equipped with app control capabilities, this wheelchair offers a level of convenience that is increasingly relevant in today's tech-savvy world. Users can manage various settings through a smartphone application, potentially enhancing the overall user experience. This feature could be particularly useful for caregivers, providing them with a way to monitor and adjust the wheelchair settings without direct physical interaction. The Goldseason wheelchair boasts a robust motor and sturdy construction, aimed at providing a reliable mode of transportation for adults. It is designed to navigate a variety of terrains, which may enhance its usability in different environments, whether indoors or outdoors. The wheels are engineered for stability, contributing to the overall safety of the user while in motion. When it comes to usage, the wheelchair is user-friendly. It features a straightforward control system that allows users to maneuver with ease. The joystick control is intuitive, enabling smooth navigation in tight spaces. Additionally, the chair's seating is designed for comfort, with adequate support for extended periods of use. As the review draws to a close, the Goldseason Smart Foldable Electric Wheelchair presents itself as a versatile option for adults seeking mobility solutions. Its combination of portability, modern technology, and user-centered design suggests that it could meet the demands of many individuals. While it offers several appealing features, potential users may benefit from considering their specific needs and preferences to determine if this wheelchair aligns with their lifestyle.